Hello everyone and welcome to LONGZE Machinery. I'm going to introduce to you the fly die mold. This is the raw material of the fly die mold. And this is the second step. We drill the light hole on the fly die. Use manual work to drill the light holes. Manual work drill the light holes on the fly die. And the third step, we're going to use this automatic drilling machine to drill the deep holes on the fly die. And after this drilling machine work, we'll send these fly dies to do the heating treatment. And after heating treatment, and we'll take it back and we'll do the fine grinding process.